Hello guys, and welcome back to the Realistic Mouse, episode 2. And what we're gonna do this time is we're gonna do a hidden hitbox and a few other things. So let's save this as a copy. And now, let's just take this away, like that, and be done with that. So now let's see why it isn't working. Last time, let's see where we ended off. Well, we ended off with this horrendous dot. Just sitting there, which was the trigger, which I found really weird, since I don't think people just assume you can just put a dot, right? So let's change that. Let's edit the block and run it without the screen refresh and see what happens. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to switch it to costume 1. After, of course, we set it to 0. Now if we try it, let's see. Doesn't work. Let's try doing the good old refresh seconds block. And 0 is just refresh. Well, it works, but neither is it the prettiest either. We get this wild flickering, which nobody wants. We can again just, edit it so that it's running without the screen refresh. But let's just go test it to see if it actually works. Oh, and look at that. The mouse cursor's not moving. Oh. There it is. Yeah, it doesn't work. But then, how do we fix this? We don't switch any of this stuff, no. We just do that. Right, well, although it works pretty good, it's not really the best. Seen by the fact that you can't even, let's see, do a quick test. Yeah, it works, except for the extremely slow rate. So in that case, I spammed zeros, and now it is almost impossible to see it. Well, I can see it, but it's the most subtle thing we're gonna get, right? Well, wrong. Yeah, using Scratch addons, which you can get from Chrome or where you can get an opacity slider, and it is extremely helpful since you can't see it. Although there is one problem, and it's that the go to mouse pointer function isn't really making it go to the mouse pointer. So let's name it to mouse pointer controls. And we'll make a new block. And we're going to go name it. Go to mouse pointer. Now we have 2 blocks. And we're actually going to separate these. Now the first few steps is I'm going to control this out on this. And currently we don't actually, need it. So yeah. Now it's working. So let's go stop the game. Let's grab the go to mouse pointer. Go to mouse pointer block. And let's just go put it right there. Let's put it there and there. Now we have a mechanism that supposedly works. But then why doesn't it work? Because we're using the wrong thing. See, what we really might want to do is take this out and swap it out. For some reason, that still didn't work. I was extremely confused, and it was a nanosecond right there. So, I just expanded the zeros right past the screen. Wow, that's a lot of zeros. Oh, there it is. Up, PC froze a little. Anyways, yeah, now there should have been a nanosecond delay. Apparently no. So I undid all of the stuff I just did. Because for some reason it wasn't working. And then I noticed no. So yeah, I kept undoing it. Just keep undoing. Ayo, it's not supposed to be there. And now let's actually test it. Obviously the nanosecond delay isn't there anymore. So let's change that. And boom! I just re-added the nanosecond delay. It's literally fast. So fast. I don't think a person would be clicking fast. But neither is it registering. So how do we fix this? 2 nanosecond speeded blocks. And somehow it still doesn't work. So I just set both of them to 0. See what would happen. Yeah, it seems like we're gonna have to stick with our extremely buffering technique. It isn't the most buffering, but it certainly is extremely buffering. And at least it works. But it does kind of pause on a mouse. Maybe next episode I'll sort that out. So yeah, saying what were those other things? Well, I will be releasing all of my assets on this, but not the scripts. I will also be giving you a brand new mouse cursor, and it's going to be gray because this is a dark mode one. But we want one more, and that one is Scratch. Huh? Scratch Cat. And funnily enough, this is the color of my mouse cursor. So yeah, let me call this cursor 1, cursor 2, cursor cursor 2, and last but not least, cursor 3. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. And we're going to name this mouse skin. Now, of course, this is just optional, but hey, you can do it if you want. So set to mouse skin to 0. And what this does is it just joins cursor with mouse skin. So yeah, you can set it to 2. Okay, something. I see. Yeah, I see exactly what I did wrong. So I'm gonna go say to every single one of these. Okay, only the ones that have these in them. Only those. And I want mine to be, yeah. What is 3? This is, So, yeah. I'm gonna let you pause. So, yeah. This highlighted part right here is what you should write if you want to make your own skin. Your own cursor color. So, yeah. It's cursor. And, yeah. It works like this. So, yeah. I'm now going to be ending this video. So yeah, bye, and yeah, make sure to save your project. Bye.